A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for axe. B for balloon, B for bird, B for bat, B for ball. C for cat, C for cap, C for cake, C for cow. D for duck, D for doll, D for dolphin, D for dog. E for elephant, E for eagle, E for eraser, E for egg. F for flag, F for frog, F for fox, F for fish. G for God, G for gun, G for giraffe, G for grapes. H for house, H for hat, H for hand, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice, I for igloo, I for iron. J for jug, J for jam, J for jelly, J for joker. K for king, K for key, K for kite, K for knife. L for leaf, L for ladder, L for lamb, L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango, M for moon, M for mouse. N for nurse, N for net, N for newspaper, N for nest. O for orange, O for owl, O for octopus, O for onion. P for potato, P for pizza, P for pencil, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quail, Q for quilt. R for rocket, R for ring, R for rose, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sheep, S for sheep, S for spider. T for turtle, T for tub, T for tomato, T for tiger. U for utensils, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, U for umpire. V for vase, V for violin, V for vegetable, V for van. W for well, W for walnut, W for watermelon, W for whale. X for X-ray, X for xylophone, X for X-dukes, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yacht, Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn. Z for zoo, Z for jeep, Z for zigzag, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching Dolu TV Learning. Like, share, subscribe.